Have you ever looked up at the sky and wondered how our universe was born? The answer to this captivating question isn't found in the present, but billions of years ago, in a spectacular event known as the Big Bang. It's a story that's enveloped in mystery and sparks a sense of curiosity in us all. The birth of our universe is a tale that takes us back to the very beginning of time itself. So, let's dive back in time to the very beginning, to the Big Bang. Around 13.8 billion years ago, our universe began with a cataclysmic explosion, the Big Bang. This event, the Big Bang, is the genesis of everything we perceive today. It's not simply an explosion in space, but rather, it is the explosion of space itself. In the blink of an eye, the universe ballooned from a singularity, a point of virtually zero size, to an immensely hot, dense state. This rapid expansion created the raw ingredients for everything that exists today: matter, energy, and the fundamental forces of nature. In the aftermath of the Big Bang, the universe was a hot, dense soup of particles. As the universe cooled, these particles began to combine in ways that eventually led to the formation of atoms, the building blocks of matter. As the universe continued to expand and cool, matter began to clump together under the pull of gravity. From this chaos and energy, the first stars began to form. As the universe cooled, matter began to clump together, forming the first stars and galaxies. But how did this happen, you might wonder? Well, gravity, that same force that keeps us grounded on Earth, played a starring role in this cosmic theater. In the early universe, matter wasn't evenly distributed. Some regions had slightly more matter than others. These denser areas, under the influence of gravity, began to pull in surrounding matter, growing larger and denser. As these regions grew, they formed the first stars and galaxies. But these weren't just any stars. They were behemoths, much larger and hotter than our sun. Inside their fiery hearts, a process called nuclear fusion began. This process fused lighter elements like hydrogen and helium into heavier elements. Elements like carbon, oxygen, and even iron were cooked up in these stellar cauldrons. These first-generation stars lived fast and died young, in brilliant explosions known as supernovae. These explosions dispersed the heavier elements throughout the universe. And here's the beautiful part. These elements, these remnants of dead stars, would become the building blocks for new stars, new galaxies, and even planets. In the death of these first stars, the seeds for future planets were sown. So next time you look up at the night sky, remember, you're not just seeing stars, you're seeing the cosmic cradle where everything we know was born. From the remnants of dead stars, new stars and their planets began to form. This process, as beautiful as it is complex, is the birth of planets. A star's life begins with a cloud of dust and gas, coalescing under the force of gravity. As the cloud collapses, it forms a spinning disk with a central concentration of matter. This is known as a protoplanetary disk, the cosmic cradle where planets are born. The material in this disk isn't idle. Particles of dust and ice collide and stick together, gradually growing in size. These growing bodies are called planetesimals, the building blocks of planets. Over time, these planetesimals continue to collide and merge, their increased gravity pulling in more and more material. Now imagine a snowball rolling down a hill. As it rolls, it gathers more snow, growing larger with every rotation. This is akin to how planetesimals evolve into protoplanets. They accumulate more matter, growing in size and gravitational pull. As these protoplanets gather more material, they undergo a process called differentiation. Their interiors heat up, separating into layers. A dense metallic core forms at the center, surrounded by a less dense mantle, and finally a thin, outer crust. This process isn't quick. It takes millions, if not billions of years. And it's not without turmoil. Fierce collisions can shatter planetesimals or merge protoplanets into larger celestial bodies. Our own solar system was birthed through this violent yet majestic process. Our sun, once just a concentration of matter in a protoplanetary disk, ignited into the star we know today. Around it, dust and gas coalesced into the familiar planets, including our own Earth. Through the lens of time, we can appreciate the grandeur of this cosmic ballet. The birth of planets is a testament to the universe's ability to create order from chaos, beauty from destruction. And so, from the debris of dead stars, our own Earth was born. From the Big Bang to the birth of Earth, the story of our universe is a tale of creation and transformation. We journeyed together through the mysterious cosmos, tracing the footsteps of the universe's inception with the Big Bang, a cosmic event that set the stage for everything that followed. We witnessed the formation of stars and galaxies, the celestial nurseries where elements are forged. We then explored the birth of planets, those diverse cosmic bodies, including our very own home, Earth. Understanding this process is not just about satisfying our curiosity, it's about understanding our place in the grand scheme of things, realizing that we are all made of cosmic dust, a part of a cosmic journey billions of years in the making. The universe is an extraordinary place and we are all stardust. Please remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel to continue exploring the wonders of the cosmos with us.